Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is May the 17th on a Wednesday. And taking a look, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the market recap today because I'm starting to sound like a broken record. We're kind of right in the middle of the range. I have a price alert up here, kind of the high end of this range, and the price alert for the low end of this range over the last 2 months. I think as long as we're oscillating inside this range, you kind of got to keep it tight, small size, or just quick moves. Look for 2 or 3 day moves with your swing trades. It's kind of what I've been doing lately. But let's take a look at some opportunity for today. If you're looking for a pullback, maybe this Netflix, I like to see. This is not a market I like to chase in. For example, this kind of monthly high right here, you got whiplashed and selling off for 3 days, but now it's pulled back, put in a little doji right at its right above its 10 period moving average. Look for a bar reversal, taking out yesterday's high and that Netflix maybe. A couple of biotechs are doing ACAD, seeing a gap up this morning. I'm not sure what the news is, but nonetheless, seeing a nice gap up in this ACAD, breaking out of a range. Could get some movement. Yeah, it's a multi-month high there, so look for some momentum in ACAD. Another one, let's see, is RCM. I'm liking the way this one is setting up. It's a beautiful setup here for a riding that 10 period moving average. Put your price alert around 1665 level. See if you can. It's close to it right now. And PTC, let's take a look at that one. Nice looking chart there as far as move higher and kind of going sideways. Just set your price alert next to near these two highs. I kind of like to set them early so I kind of get a little heads up before it goes through. All right, guys, that's it for today. There's some other ones on here. Have a great one. Talk to you soon. Talk to you tomorrow.